Hello everyone. My name is Kavita and I'm going to give you a webinar on Global Hackathon 2021. Okay. So iCode is organizing a Global Hackathon 2021 and it has contained three levels. So level 1 is Indian regionals, second is the regional and third is the global finals. And it contains four categories. First one is for blocky beginners, it is for class 1 to 3, and second is for blocky advanced, it is for class 4 to 6, and third is the Python beginner which is for class 2 to 6, and Python advanced is for class 7 to 12. Yes, who wants to ask anything?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am from the Aryan International School. Ma'am, I am from class 5B and my brother is also from class 2. We both want to participate in it. But firstly we filled the form for my brother. But when I am trying to fill it with the same ID, it is showing my brother's name only.
Okay, I will tell you this later. First, I will explain the procedure. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So there are four categories which I have told you. So it is Global Hackathon is the showcase of your coding skills using computational thinking and algorithmic intelligence. Okay. So the live hackathon will see coders writing codes to complete the mission. You have to code. So there are so many levels, or you can say there are so many missions which you have to code, and through coding you have to solve the missions. Okay, so just I want to tell you that India's finals are on 16th October, and this webinar is to prepare you all for this Global Hackathon 2021. And the regionals are on 6th November and the global finals are on 8th December. Right? And you will also get a certificate from iCode for the participation. Okay. Now I will tell you how to log in to that iCode. Okay, just go to the Google Chrome and type www.icode.org, then enter. So this is the home page of the iCode. Here you can see this Global Hackathon is written. Here the Global Hackathon is written here. You have to go there. Just click on it. There you will find the details of the Global Hackathon, the levels and the participants, what participants will get, and what are the different nations who are participating. So just go to the register now. You are required to have an email ID. Just do the student sign up. Just do the student sign up. There you will get a verification code on your email ID. Then you have to put that verification code, and this page will appear. So this webinar is for the blocky beginner. This is for the class 1 to 3. So just try to log into that iCode. Yes, Charan.
Ma'am, we should log in now, ma'am.
Yes, you should log in now.
Okay.
Everyone just go to that www.icode.org. There we will get the option Global Hackathon, and then register yourself with an email ID and the verification code. Just do it now. I will again show you what you have to do. Go to the iCode, www.icode.org. Here the home page has arrived. Here you can go to the Global Hackathon. So here are the details of the Global Hackathon 2021. Then you have to register now. Go to register now. And just go to student sign up. And sign in with an email ID. Yes, Charan.
Ma'am, I opened the letter, ma'am. After that,
Okay. I hope everyone has signed in. Okay. There you will get this blocky beginner course. And we will go to the start learning. Everyone use their email IDs for the login. That's how iCode will send a validation code on your email ID. You just have to put that code in the area. Then you have to submit that validation code, and this page has opened. Okay. So this is the interface where you have to complete your missions. Just I will give you some brief about what you have to do. So just see, there are so many blocks you have to use for your mission. There is wait block, there is if to block, there are operators, and there is repeat function, and there is, you can use how many steps your character wants to walk. There is turn right, left, change option. You can use set option. You can use spaceship move, then spaceship turn right. These all blocks you can use to complete your mission. Okay, so these blocks you used is for zoom in and zoom out. This is for the turn on of the map grid, and this option is used for click to change the speed of the animation. This is for the use to change the speed of the animation. You can change the speed. This is for if you complete a unit. This is for that, and this is for the x and y axis. It determines the coordinates. So in the menu you will see the levels, the level maps, their operation instructions, their Python and math tools, and there is one video you can see that how to complete the mission. Okay, so let's go to the first mission. So this is the level 1 of your mission. So this is one character Dave who wants to go to this item. So what did the Dave do? So Dave has to like walk through these tiles to go to the item. So first block which we used is Dave's step. So then we have to count the steps, that how many steps they have to walk. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 steps which they have to walk to reach its goal. Okay, then we have to press the run button to see if our mission has completed or not. Let's see. So, level 1 is completed. We have completed our mission. The Dave has walked step 5. Then we have to press this button to go to the next level. Okay. So this is the level 2. So see, in this level also they have to collect all these items just by walking. So let's see first what Dave has to do. So first we will use Dave's step. So first we will use Dev step 1. They will step one step, then it will change his position. So then we will use Dev turn right here. So after moving one position, they will sit here and then he will turn right. Okay. After that, to achieve this parcel, so he has to move to 3 steps. So for that we will use Dev step 3. Okay. So now the Dev have completed halfway. He has reached here. Now he has to collect this parcel also. So for that, Dev steps Is everyone is able to see my screen? Can you reply on the chat? Okay. Now everyone is able to see my screen. Okay. So now Dev has reached here. Now Dev has to go here. So for that we have to use Dev turn left. So after turning to left, Dev has reached here. Now he has to move some steps. So after turning to left, they have to move 2 steps. They have to move 2 steps to reach here. So after completing 2 steps, then they have to turn in right left direction, and again they have to complete steps 3 like this. So how we are going to complete this mission? So this is Dev. So first what he will do, he will walk 1 step, then he will turn right and reach here and collected this parcel. Then again he will turn left and move 2 steps to collect this parcel. Then again he will turn left and move 3 steps. Then turn right, then Dev step 3, then turn left, then Dev steps should be 4, then he turns left, then these steps should be 2. Then again he turns left, and then again he is moving 3 steps. Just see. Okay, so level second has also completed. Okay, someone guys are wanting me to tell me one more time the login process. Okay, so you have to go to www.icode.org, then enter. Then you will see this page. Then you will see here global hackathon. Just go to that global hackathon. Here you will find this option register now. Just go to that option. Okay, and you have to register by student sign up. Just go to the student sign up. Just select your name, grade, then the course, and the email ID. You can use your personal email ID. Then after next, okay, after next you will be able to get Pi. It's blocky beginner. In that you will see the start learning option. Okay, so let's see the next level. We have completed 2 levels. So this is the third level. So here we can see Dev, and here is the item which he has to collect. So for that we have to give a position first. Dev turn left, and then we have to make Dev the steps. So how many steps Dev needed to go to that parcel? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So they will need 4 steps, and then we have to press the run button. So we have completed 3 levels like this. Okay, let's go to the next level. So here is Dev, and here is the parcel he wants to collect. So what can be the first block we can use? So Dev is here, he has to go to 4 places to sit here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we will use Dev step 4, and then he has to give a direction like Dev turn left. Let's press the run button. One, two, three, four. So Dev is completing 4 steps. And then Dev has to turn right to reach that position. Okay, just you have to sign up from this page. You have to give your details like the student name, grade, course, parent name, parent email ID, and then the mobile number, and then you press the next button. I think you will get to the page where you can get Bloggy beginner option, and then you will click on start learning. Okay, now the next level. So we can see Dev's position is here and the parcel is here. So Dev's mission is to collect that parcel. In the course you have to select Bloggy beginner. And Bloggy beginner is for the class 1 to 3. Okay, so first Dev has to go here. First he has to turn his position. So first Dev turn right, and then how many steps will Dev have to move? So there are 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 steps which Dev have to move. So we can use Dev step 3. Then again after reaching here, after reaching to this position, Dev has to move. Then he will use Dev turn. Dev turn left. and then he has to move steps, 2 steps, and then we will press the run button. This completed the mission. Oh, I hope everyone has joined this. Okay, I will again tell you what is this interface is about. So you can see this interface here. This is the mission. You can see where you can see a character whose name is Dev, and he has to complete the missions. And here you can see the run option. So after completing the code, you have to run the code. And here are 4 buttons you can see. So these are for zoom in and zoom out, and this option is used for the map grid, and this option is used for the speed, to change the speed of the animation or the character that we are using. And this arrows, these are used for the coordinates, the x coordinates and the y coordinates, and this shape is used for the unit completion. When you completed one unit, it will change the color, and this is used for the left mouse button to drag image within the map view. Okay, so here there's an option called menu. So in menu there are levels. There's different levels which you want to achieve to complete the mission. There are instructions, you can read them. There are tools which you can use to complete your mission, and there's one video you can see how they are completing the mission. Okay, I will again tell you the level 1. Okay, so there are different blocks which you can use to complete your mission. So there is step block, there is turn right, left, there is change the variables, there is repeat option, and there is if and do option. Okay, so first level is, so there is one character Dev, he has to move to this position, he has to collect this parcel, this is his mission. So what they have to do, so they have to some, okay, so they have to move some steps to reach here. The first Dev steps, and then he have to move 1 2 3 4 5 steps. And then we will press the run button and see. So the Dev has completed mission. Okay. So this is the level 3rd. You can see Dev, he has to go to this position to collect the parcel. So what Dev have to do? So Dev have to turn left first, and then he has to move steps. How many steps? 4 steps he has to move. 1 2 3 4, and the mission has completed. So now how many steps Dev has to go to this position? 1 1 2 3 4, 4 steps. So first Dev steps, they are 4, and then Dev have to turn. He has to turn left. Now let's go to the next level. So for that, first Dev has to turn right. Dev has to change his position, then he has to take steps. Dev has to take 3 steps, and then Dev has to turn left. Then again Dev's step are 2. Let's see. Now we'll go to the run button. Okay. Now the next mission. So in this mission there are so many parcels which Dev has to collect. Okay, these 1 and 2 and this 3 and there is this 4 and there is 5 and there is 6. So there are 6 parcels which Dev has to collect to complete the mission. So there are many ways you can do it. There are different ways from which you can do this. You can first take Dev to this direction and then this direction, or you can Dev to this forward direction and then this direction. So it's your choice which route will you take to move the Dev. Okay, so I will take first Dev is moving in this direction, and then he will go here like this, then he will go here, then he will collect this one, then this parcel, then he will come here, and then he will collect these 2 parcels. Okay, let's start with the code. So first Dev's step is 1. They will take 1 step to reach here, then he will turn his direction. They will turn right and go there. Then he will take 3 steps. Then he will take 3 steps. Then again he will turn right. Then Dev has to turn right here. Then they will move 3 steps. And then again they will turn right. And they will move 1 step. Three, then turn right, then they will step 3, then again he will turn right, then they will step 3, then again he will take a turn, then again they will take 3 steps, then he will turn left, and again they will move 3 steps. Okay, so how the code is running. First Dev is here. He will take 1 step and receive this parcel, and then he will take 3 steps, 1 2 3, and reach here. Then again he will turn and then take 3 steps, 1 2 3, then reaches here. Then again 3 steps and he will collect this parcel, 1 2 3. Then again he will take 3 steps and collect this parcel, 1 2 3. And then again he will turn left and collect 1 2 3, this parcel. You can use different route also. Let's see. So that is how he is completing his missions. Okay. So I will again show you the how to log in. We have to go to www.icode.org, then enter. You can see this page where you can see this global hackathon. Here you can read about this global hackathon. There are 3 levels: national, regional and global. There you can see this register now button. Here you can see the register now button. Just go to that. And you have to sign up for the student account. So for the student account, just fill the above details: the student name, grade, course, parent name, email ID. You can use any email ID, then the mobile number, and just go to next. You will see this page. Here you can see the course Block A Beginner, and here you can start after clicking on Start Learning. So after you click on that Start Learning, you will get this page. So here you can see you have to, there are different levels you have to achieve. So they are different, with the help of these blocks you have to achieve the mission. There are different blocks you can use to move your character, to change the position, to there is spaceship move also. You have to turn your spaceship right, left. There is wait option, there is if do option. You can use these options to complete the mission. And here you can see the menu option. So in the menu options there are the levels which you have to complete. The level, there is instructions which you can read. There are these steps, the tools, and there is one video you can see. And there's these 4 buttons which are used for zoom in, zoom out, turn on off the map grid, and this one is for the change the speed of the animation. Like for the character you can change the speed, and this is for the, if you complete one unit you will gain some points, and this is for the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, and this is the run button. After completing the code you have to click on the run button to see if your code is correct or not. So the course is Bloggy Beginner. Okay, so this is the first level. So this is one character Dev, and this is the parcel or the thing you have to collect it, the item. So for that Dev has to move some steps. So first we will select the block Dev step, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So Dev has to move 5 steps. Then we will go to the run button and the mission is completed. Okay, this is the first. Now I will show you the level second, where you have to change the direction also. So first they will take step 1 and they will reach here, and then they will take step 3 and then collected this. First Dev step 1, then it will change his direction, turn right, and then he will take 3 steps. Dev steps 3, then again he will turn left, then again he has to move 4 steps, then again he has to turn left, then again he has to move 2 steps, and again he has to turn left. You can choose any route, you can choose the route of your choice. Then again he has to move 3 steps. When he is collecting first parcel, then he is collecting the second parcel, and then he has collected the third parcel. Then our mission got completed. Then this is the third level. Okay, for that Dev has to turn his direction, he has to turn left, and then he has to move some steps. So we have to count the steps: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 steps Dev has to move. Let's see. Okay. So there are different levels. You can practice it. Okay, this is the level 5. Okay. I will again show once again how you will log in. So you have to go to www.icode.org. So this page will open. Here you have to go to this global hackathon. Here you can find the details of the global hackathon 2021. Then you have to go to the register now. So in register now, you have to register with the student sign up. When you go to the student sign up, there is this form you have to fill: the name, grade, course, parent name, email ID, and then you will go to the next button. You will find this page and you have to click on the course Bloggy Beginner, and then you will click on Start Learning. Then you click on this Start Learning. This interface will open. There you can select your levels from here in the menu, from level 1, and you will start practicing for your missions. I hope everyone understood. Okay, now the webinar is completed. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.